Subaru improved the Outback's design. All trim levels now come equipped with a 12.1-inch touchscreen. The new interface includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a faster processor for faster input response times. The climate control features have been removed from the screen and replaced with good old-fashioned buttons that are glove-friendly and smart. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster can convert between 3 views: a peaceful minimalist arrangement, a typical analog-style display, and a map focus setup for navigation-heavy excursions. Subaru has also developed a new eyesight mode that emphasizes the road ahead, including close vehicles, for drivers who desire real-time input from the array of driver assist features. The front and rear passengers benefit from innovative, low-fatigue seats that are directly mounted to the chassis. Subaru claims that they reduce head movement and provide long-distance comfort. Practical features include larger bottle holders in the doors that can carry 32-ounce containers, as well as a changeable, washable tonneau cover made of recycled materials. Wires are kept clean with a clip for the passenger side USB cord, and there are hooks in the cargo compartment for hanging wet gear and grocery bags.